Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to download and install Facebook on your laptop or PC. For this, go to Start, then click on Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store is a trusted legal site for official authentic apps. Now search for Facebook here. Sometimes you might not find it on your home page. Here is our Facebook app. Click on this. And before installing, please make sure you have the right system requirements. It's okay. Now click on install. I'm skipping the downloading part here. Our installation is finished. Now click on open. After that, what you have to do is go to start again and right click on Facebook, click on more. Now pin it to taskbar. Now you can open the Facebook app from your taskbar. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.